The 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning tool equipped with a detachable handheld steam cleaner and a variety of accessories for tackling multiple surfaces and tasks around the home. With its high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, this steam mop ensures deep cleaning by removing grease and grime using only water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. The steam mop heats up rapidly in 18 seconds, transforming ordinary tap water into powerful steam to effortlessly clean everyday dirt and stains. Its flexible swivel angles and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, allowing users to clean hard-to-reach areas such as under furniture and in corners with minimal effort. The 16-foot power cord provides ample reach for cleaning large areas without interruption, and the convenient hook design ensures easy storage. Designed for use on various types of floors, the steam mop comes with a reusable and washable microfiber pad, which is perfect for removing stubborn stains and grime effectively.